of listening to that jackass Bray.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Komalooks and welcome to Komalooks. Okay, so as we all know कि अभी festive season चल रहे हैं and शादी season is also coming. So I thought कि why not to say some of the hairstyles जो कि हम try कर सकते हैं इस time पे, like that will be not too simple and not too hard to try. Like easy होगा but थोड़ा सा तो effort लगाना पड़ेगा. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So my first hairstyle will be a bun जो कि nowadays so in trend और मेरे को भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आता है, like slick bun एकदम. So उसके लिए we have to do a middle partition this side. Well, this is like optional if you want to add any necklace. You want to try this one.
Been a long time. Some of the old songs.
This is too small. ऐसा कुछ मेरे को पता नहीं है कि मेरे को करना क्या है, but I'm just doing it and होते जा रहा है. Cute hairstyles and I loved it. Simply you have to take one section of your hair and just tie it with the पतला वाला rubber दोनों साइड में and look super cute. Next you have to take both and you have to tie once again.
Been a long time.
Well, in this way. Now one more thing you have to do.
Been a long time.
And start making braid. That's it. Tie once again.
Some of the old songs. For time's sake.
Okay, so for next, I don't have idea, but let's do something. So
As time goes by. Been a long time.
I will clip it here. It is taking a lot of time, so I am out. Okay, sorry, I am in because I am liking it up. मेरे को बहुत
Some of
अच्छा
the
लग
old
रहा है.
songs.
सॉरी हाँ, मैं इतना मेहनत कर सकती हूँ. आपको भी करना चाहिए अगर आपको भी अच्छा लगा तो. सो नेक्स्ट जो मैं हेयर स्टाइल करने वाली हूँ वो एक मस्ट सा है हेयर स्टाइल. हेयर स्टाइल ना किसी भी तरह के चेहरे पे सूट करता है एंड आई एम श्योर कि आपने कभी ना कभी नहीं मतलब हमेशा वैसे नहीं फेस्टिव सीजन या फिर शादी वगैरह में किसी न किसी को ये हेयर स्टाइल के साथ देखा ही होगा. आई एम 100% श्योर. मैंने तो भाई कृति सनन को देखा अपने भाई की शादी में. इट लुक्स क्यूट. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friend, comment भी कर देना. And yeah, that was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.